You had enough mini snacks? Alright, prepare for the long boy. Hello everyone and welcome to Newstone. I'm your host Haris and today we got some nice tech news, so let's get started. A new rumor says Samsung may be hiring ex-Apple and AMD engineers to design a new custom CPU. A new report claims Samsung is courting former CPU engineers from Apple and AMD. Apparently, Samsung is not satisfied with the performance of the new Cortex-X series and is looking for something faster. Samsung shut down its in-house CPU design department because it underperformed compared to the stock ARM designs. The company is also already working with Google to design a custom chip and with AMD to bring an RDNA 2 GPU to Exynos. So it's on, boys! Another good one, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 has reportedly entered mass production. A new report by Front Page Tech claims that the mass production of the Z Flip 3 has also kicked off with 50 to 70,000 units of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 a day, since it is aiming to produce a combined 7 million units of both devices for its launch. Samsung also joined the wireless file transfer standard started by Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo. Cool! A couple of years ago, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo joined forces to create the MTA, a standardized way to transfer files between devices. Since then, other companies have joined the alliance. A list that now includes Samsung, which is a big deal. For one, it is one of the largest smartphone makers in the world, and yeah, it already has its own wireless transfer feature, Quick Share, which will help a lot. Google might be preparing a rival to Apple's Find My network. Recently, Google is reportedly working on a competitor to the Find My network used by Apple to help find lost Apple devices. 9to5 Google reported that Google's network, which appears to be built on top of the existing Find My device utility built into Android, would use an API called Spot that is discovered in the latest Google Play Services beta. The report suggests that Google also plans to use the Spot brand for an app based on the API. 9to5 Google said that basic details about how it works include the use of encryption and a key that is rotated every few hours. The API also suggested that Android device owners will be able to opt out of participating in the new Find My device network. Android Find My device network will reportedly go crowdsourced. The teardown revealed hidden code found in the latest version of the Google Play Services 21.24.13 in the beta channel for it. So how you think? Facebook is now testing ads in their virtual reality headsets. Oh boy, Facebook has begun displaying ads in its Oculus virtual reality headset, despite the founder of the platform saying it would never do so. In what they describe as an experiment, ads will begin to appear in a game called Bellstone, with other developers rolling out similar ads. And good news is that it would listen to feedback before launching virtual reality ads more widely. The firm said they're exploring new ways for developers to generate revenue to make a self-sustaining platform. Well, hopefully it won't cause a backlash for the privacy concern. In the other side, new Oculus Quest update adds multitasking and wireless streaming for the original headset. Facebook is rolling out its V30 update to the Oculus Quest and Quest 2 VR headsets. As preferred earlier this week, V30 includes a new multitasking interface for the Infinite Office that lets you put multiple apps side by side, including the browser, Oculus TV, Oculus Move, the store, and so on. But like many Oculus Quest features, it'll be found in the experimental section of the setting menu. So get your headset on, boys! My man, it's time for speed round. Visionox just showcased the second generation under-display camera prototype. ZTE is one of the smartphone makers expected to launch a device with an under-display camera later this year. And now Visionox showcased its development, which will most likely arrive on an upcoming ZTE phone. The post shows Visionox InVisi Pro display in the middle, which touts a new and improved pixel arrangement for better clarity and less fogging for the camera. So let's see how it goes. Speaking of under-display, the upcoming Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is rumored to be pricier than the Mi 11 Ultra and have the new under-display camera tech. Whoa! According to my drivers, the phone is going to be more expensive than the Mi 11 Ultra, but hold on. First, it will adopt an under-display camera, and second, the screen will have equally thin bezels to ensure a proper full screen experience. Worth it? But sadly, the screen will be Full HD+, but hey, it got Snapdragon 888. So, surprising news, BBK is finally launching their first tablet soon. The Vivo Pad name has been trademarked with the European Union Intellectual Property Office. The Vivo Pad is trademarked under Class 9, which covers several product categories, including tablets. The listing on the website doesn't show any spec of the Vivo Pad, but it was recently spotted on TUV's website, and it shows an 8000 mAh battery inside the device. So let's see how good BBK's first tablet, boys. Yeah, iOS finally gets official picture-in-picture support for the YouTube, and it's rolling out globally. iOS is now catching up on Android, boys. In a statement to Mac Rumors, YouTube confirms that picture-in-picture is now rolling out to the YouTube app on iPhone and iPad. It was noting that on Android, YouTube Premium is not required for PiP. Although YouTube mentioned the feature is only available to YouTube Premium subscribers, it plans to offer the feature to all iOS users on YouTube eventually. So let's wait until it's ready. Follow up from the last news storm, Battleground Mobile India just crossed $5 million in early access, and the developer Clefton is rewarding players. Battleground Mobile India went up for pre-registration on Google Play Store and reached 20 million registration in less than a month. Wow! Clefton shared the development through an in-game notification along with a reward thanking Indian players. So go on and log in to claim your Clash Crate coupon. Alright, so the era of news today, yeah, it's quite limited, you know. So come back on Friday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Alright, see ya!